Get ready because the next few minutes will change the way you see the world. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts that sound completely fake, but are 100% real. Let's dive in with the most unbelievable one right away. Imagine living on a planet where a single day lasts longer than an entire year. That's exactly what happens on Venus. It spins so incredibly slowly that one day on Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete. So, if you were a Venusian, you'd celebrate your birthday before you even finished a single day. How crazy is that? Now, I want you to look at your phone. Go on, pick it up. Does it look clean? Well, prepare to be grossed out. Studies have shown that the average smartphone carries 10 times more bacteria than a public toilet seat. I have a feeling you'll be wiping down your phone right after this video. Let's talk about one of the most alien-like creatures on our own planet, the octopus. Not only do they have 8 arms and incredible intelligence, but they also have 3 hearts. 2 of them work to pump blood through the gills, while the third one circulates it to the rest of the body. And it gets weirder. Their blood is blue. This is because it uses a copper-based protein to transport oxygen, which helps them survive in freezing deep-sea temperatures. Nature is just wild. Have you ever found an old jar of something in the back of your pantry and wondered if it's still good? Well, if it's honey, the answer is almost certainly yes. Honey literally never spoils. Archaeologists exploring ancient Egyptian tombs found pots of honey that were over 3,000 years old, and guess what? It was still perfectly edible. The unique chemical composition of honey makes it an incredibly hostile environment for bacteria. Look up at the night sky. The sheer number of stars is already overwhelming, right? Now, try to imagine all the grains of sand on every beach and desert on Earth. There are more stars in the observable universe than all those grains of sand combined. Astronomers estimate there are at least 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions of stars. If you tried to count them all, one by one, you would never, ever finish. Not even in a trillion years. Next time you peel a banana for a snack, remember this: bananas are technically radioactive. They contain a naturally occurring radioactive isotope called potassium-40. Now, before you panic and throw out all your fruit, don't worry. You would need to eat about 10 million bananas at once for the radiation to be harmful. Still, the idea of radioactive fruit is pretty wild, isn't it? And speaking of bananas, here's a fact that will make you look at your lunch in a whole new way. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. Yes, you heard that right. You and that yellow fruit are more genetically similar than you probably ever imagined. Just try explaining that one to a visitor from another planet. What do you think is older, sharks or trees? If you said trees, you'd be wrong. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for around 400 million years. Trees, on the other hand, only appeared about 385 million years ago. This means that for millions of years, sharks existed in a world without forests, without leaves, and without wood. They are true living fossils. Do you ever wake up and think, I didn't dream at all last night? Well, you actually did. You dream every single night, even if you don't remember it. On average, a person has 4 to 6 dreams per night during the REM sleep cycle. If we could record all of them, by the time you turned 80, you would have a library of over 200,000 dreams. Finally, here's a thought to brighten your day. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Every thought you have, every memory you recall, every new idea, all produces tiny electrical impulses between your neurons. When you combine all that activity, your brain can generate around 20 watts of power. So, in a way, you are literally a walking, talking, glowing source of light. Which one of these facts shocked you the most? Let me know down in the comments, and if you want to see a part 2 with even more mind-blowing facts, make sure you hit that like button. Your support helps this channel grow, and trust me, the next video will blow your mind even more. Thanks for watching.